Today I am going to teach you how to find out adjoint of a matrix. Step 1. Let given matrix equals to A11, A12, A21 and A22. Step 2. In the step 2 we have to find out minors. So minor of A11 is nothing but capital M11, which is equivalent to A22. Therefore, minor of A11 denoted by M11, that is equals to A22. Similarly, minor of A12 is equals to M12 is nothing but the value of A21. Similarly, minor of A21 is denoted by M21, which is nothing but equals to A12. Similarly, minor of A22 denoted by M22, which is equals to A11. After deciding minor, we have to find cofactors. Now we have to find out cofactors. The cofactors are denoted by capital letter, like cofactor of A11 is denoted by capital A11. Similarly, cofactor of A12 is denoted by capital A12. Similarly, cofactor of A21 is denoted by A21, capital A21. Similarly, cofactor of A22 is denoted by A22. Step 3. Under step 3, we have to find out the cofactors of every element. So, cofactor A11 and cofactor A11 nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 and minor M11 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 2. M11 nothing but you have to delete the element 1 1. You have to delete the rows, this row and this one. What is left? A22. So that is equals to minus 1 square. A22 value nothing but this is A22, that is equals to 6. Therefore 1 into 6 equals to 6. Therefore A11 equals to 6. Now A12 equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 M12 equals to minus 1 raised to 3 M12. How to find out? You have to delete the element in which you have to delete row and column in which A12 is present. A12 is present in the first row and second column. What is left? A21. So that is the value of A21. So minus 1 raised to 3. The value of A21. This is nothing but A21. A21 equals to 1. So write down here 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 1 equals to minus 1. Therefore, A12 equals to minus 1. After that, cofactor A21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 multiplied by minor M21 minus 1 raised to 3. How to find out minor 21? You have to delete all the elements, all the rows and column in which M21 is present. So A21 is present here and A21 is present in the first column and the second row. So what is left? A12 minus 1, a value of A12, this is the value of A12, that is equals to 3. So write here 3. So that is minus 3. Therefore, value of A21 equals to minus 3. After that, we have to find out cofactor A22. That is nothing but minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 multiplied by minor 2 minus 1 raised to 4. How to find out M22? You have to delete all the rows and column in which the element A22 is present. Element 22 present in the second row and the second column. So what is left? A11. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 4. The value of A11 nothing but 2. So that is plus 1 into 2 equals to 2. Therefore, value of A22 is equals to 2. After that, matrix of cofactors is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. That is equals to the value of A11 nothing but 6. The value of A12 nothing but minus 1. The value of A21 nothing but minus 3. And value of A22 nothing but 2. So this is the matrix of cofactors. Now we'll find out transpose of cofactor. What is the last step to find? What is the last step to find transpose of cofactors? Transpose of matrix cofactor. Therefore, adjoint of A is nothing but you have to find out transpose of matrix of cofactor, that is 6 minus 3 minus 1 2. So adjoint of A is equals to 6 minus 3 minus 1 2. This is the required solution. Whenever you are finding out the adjoint, the step number 1 is that you have to test whether the determinant of the given matrix 0 or not 0. If it is not 0, then only proceed. If it is 0, stop there itself. For example, I got here matrix A equals to 6 5 2 1 2 3. Now determinant of this is equals to 18 minus 10 equals to 8, not equals to 0. Since the determinant is not equals to 0, we proceed for the further steps. Now, first of all, we find out the cofactors. Cofactor A11, nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, and here is the 1 1. So, you just forget the column number, row number 1 and column number 1. What is left? 3. So, that is equals to minus 1 square into 3 equals to plus 1 into 3 equals to 3. Now, next step to find out cofactor A12, that is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Here is the 1. So, delete the first row and after that 2. The delete second column. What is left? 2. So, multiply by 2 here. So, that is minus 1 raised to 3. Multiply by 2 is nothing but minus 2. After that, we will find out cofactor of A21, cofactor A21, that is minus 1 raised to what are the number? 2 and 1. So write down 2 plus 1 here multiplied by, now the second row, delete the second row and 1 first column. What is left? 5. So multiply by 5 here, minus 1 raised to 3 multiply by 5 equals to minus 5. After that, we will find out A22, that is nothing but minus 1 raised to what are the number? 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2. Now delete the second row and second column. What is left? 6. So minus 1 raised to 4 multiplied by 6 equals to plus 6. So the matrix of cofactors. After that, matrix of cofactors equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. So that is equals to 3 and minus 2, minus 5 and 6. So this is the matrix of cofactors. Now adjoint is nothing but transpose of matrix of cofactors. So how to find that? Here we have the matrix of cofactor. So adjoint A, adjoint A nothing but transpose of matrix of cofactors. So therefore adjoint A transpose we are finding out 3 minus 5 minus 2 6. This is required adjoint. Now we'll find out the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. Suppose a 3 by 3 matrix given to us A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. We have to find out adjoint of this matrix. Step number 1, to find cofactors. Before starting the problem, please check the determinant. Determinant of A must be not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, there is no question of finding out adjoint. So step number 1, you have to find out the determinant and check whether it is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. Now step 2, we have to find cofactors. So the cofactor A11 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. After that, here is the 1. So what you have to do? You have to delete the first row and first column. What is left? A22, A23 and A32 and A33. This is left. This is equals to minus 1 raised to 2, and find out the determinant of this. That is nothing but A22 multiplied by A33 minus A32 multiplied by A23. And after that, similarly, we can find out A12. That is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. And what are the number here? 1 and 2. So first row and second column deleted. What do you see now? A21, A23, A31 and A33. So this is equals to minus 1 raised to 3. And here again we find out the determinant A21, A33 minus A31 multiplied by A23. After that, we find the cofactor A13. That is nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. What are the numbers here? 1 and 3. So delete first row and the third column. Then what do you see here? You see the A21, A22, A31 and A32. Again minus 1 raised to 4, and here the determinant A21, A32 minus A31 and A22. Similarly, you can find out other cofactors. Now I will take one example and solve one complete problem for you, so that you will get an idea how to find out adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. We have to find adjoint of A equals to 124, 215, 413. Step 1, find the determinant of A. Here determinant of the given matrix is equals to 30, that is determinant of A not equal to 0. If determinant of A not equals to 0, we can proceed further. Now we'll find out cofactor of each element, that is A11 is equals to minus 1. What are the number? 1, 1, that is the minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, and here is the 1, 1. So delete first row and first column. What the number? 1, 5, 3, 1. This is equals to minus 1 raised to 2. Here is a 1 minus 15, that is 1 into minus 14 equals to minus 14. Therefore, A11 equals to minus 14. Now we have to find out A12, that is nothing but minus 1 raised to, what are the number? 1 and 2. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. What you have to do? You have to delete the first row. You have to delete the first row and the second column. So what are the number left? 2, 5, 4, 1. We find the determinant of this. Minus 1 raised to 3. Here is the 2 minus 20. So minus 1 raised to minus 18, that is equals to plus 18. After that, we will find out A13, that is minus 1 raised to, what are the number? 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 here, and determinant, you forget the first row and the third column. What are the number left? 2, 1, 4, 3. So that is equals to minus 1 raised to 4. Here is a 6 minus 4. So plus 1 into 2, that is equals to 2. After that, we will find out A21, that is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. What is that number? 2 and 1. So delete the second row and first column. What are the number left? 2, 4, 3, 1. So this is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 and 2 minus 12, that is equals to minus 1 minus 10 equals to plus 10. After that, A22, nothing but minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. Now what are the number? 2, 2. So delete the second row and second column. What are the number left? 1, 4, 4, 1. This is equals to minus 1 raised to 4, 0, minus 1, 1, 1 minus 16, that is equals to plus 1 into minus 15 is equals to minus 15. After that, A23 is equals to minus 1. What are the number? 2 and 3. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. Determinant. Now delete the second row and third column. What are the number left? 1, 2, 4, 3. So minus 1 raised to 5 and determinant is nothing but 3 minus 8. So minus 1 raised to 5, and here is a minus 5, that is equals to minus 1 minus 5 is equals to plus 5. Now we have to find out A31, minus 1 raised to, what are the number? 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1, and delete the third row and first column. What are the number left? 2, 4, 1, 5. That is equals to minus 1 raised to 4, 10 minus 4, that is equals to 1 into 6 is equals to 6. Now we have to find out A32. So minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2, and here the third row and second column deleted. So what are number left? 1, 4, 2, 5, that is equals to minus 1 into 5 minus 8, that is equals to plus 3. Now last one, A33, that is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, determinant. Now third row and third column deleted. What are left? 1, 2, 2, 1. That is equals to minus 1 raised to 6. Here is a 2. Here is a 1 minus 4 is equals to 1 minus 3 equals to minus 3. After that, we have to find cofactor matrix. That is nothing but matrix formed by all cofactors A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Now we will put the values, respective values of all cofactors. Now what is the value of A11? A11 nothing but the value of A11 nothing but minus 14. So we will write here minus 14. What is the value of A12? The value of A12 nothing but plus 18. So we write here plus 18. And what is the value of A13? A13 nothing but 2. So we write here the 2. And after that, what is the value of A21? Value of A21. A21 nothing but 10. A22 nothing but minus 15. And A23 nothing but plus 5. We'll write these values there. We have written the values of A21, A22 and A23, that is 10, minus 15 and 5. Now we have to write down the values of cofactor A31, cofactor A32 and cofactor A33. The value of A31 is 6, the value of A32 is 3 and value of A33 nothing but minus 3. It is called as a cofactor matrix or matrix of cofactor. So the matrix of cofactor nothing but minus 14, 18, 2, 10, minus 15, 5, 6, 3 and minus 3. Now by transpose of this, by getting transpose of this, we'll get the adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of cofactor matrix, transpose of matrix of cofactor. Therefore, adjoint A equals to minus 14, 10, 6, 18, minus 15, 3 and 2, 5, minus 3. In this way, we find out the adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix and the 3 by 3 matrix. I hope you can now solve and find out adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. How do you find this video? Please give me your feedback and give the comments so that I come to know how is my presentation. I try to make the thing simple so that you can easily understand. Meet you again with another topic. Till then, wish you good luck, all the best. Before saying goodbye, I would like to request you like, share and subscribe the channel so that you will keep on getting the latest video on mathematics. Wish you good luck, all the best.